Chukwuemeka, in wisdom. The epitome of wisdom. Good man. Under the auspices of NYCN chapter, I want to present this beautiful award. This beautiful award to the man that the cap fits, Honorable Dr. Okechukwu Chukwuemeka, the wisdom.
Good evening, sir.
You're most welcome.
Okay, sir, today you are in Njikoka, you're part of National Youth Council of Nigeria Conference. So what's your take on that, sir?
Well, first and foremost, let me react to the honor done to me today. It is wisely said that honor is a language of greatness. And there's this school of thought that said that impression without expression is depression. So I'm honestly elated over this honor done to me today. I think that honor and recognition should be appreciated, and I want to thank the leadership of National Youth Council of Nigeria, Njikoka chapter, for what they have been doing. They have been wonderful in their leadership of this chapter. So I want to thank them for thinking it wise to count me on those to benefit in this honor they are doing to people today. So I want to thank them. I want to tell them to sustain whatever they are doing. They have been committed. They have been adroit. They have been vibrant in promoting and sustaining a peaceful and progressive Njikoka. So I want to thank the leadership. I want to thank them in earnest. So as regards to the program of the day, it is apt, it is timeless, it is a welcome development, because if you look at political happenstances in Nigeria today, you see that the election is fast approaching. INEC is getting ready. We electorate need to get ready, and there's no any other way to get it right than orientation, and that's exactly what they are doing here today. We believe in equity, but equity should be balanced. Okay, we believe in equity. Nobody should be sidelined in exercising his or her franchise. Everybody that has that eligibility is free to come and contest, be you who. But if there is a gentleman agreement for one community to front an aspirant, that should be promoted, that should be allowed to prevail. Okay, one thing is equity, and the equity should be sustained without any altar of antics. So we appreciate National Youth Council of Nigeria for providing this platform. I think it is commendable in any front. So thanks to them, and thanks to the caliber of people that we are selected to speak to the people today. They have been resourceful. I want to thank them immensely. Their speeches are engrossing, and they should be appreciated for that. Thank you so much.